Okay, the first question of today is, as per Juvenile Justice Act 2015, which of the following children are kept in special homes? Option A, children in conflict with law. Option B, neglected children. Option C, abused children. Option D, street children. Now here, what is Juvenile Justice? It is Care and Protection of Children's Act. And the correct answer over here is option A, children in conflict with law. These people are kept under special homes. Now second question is, juvenile justice children right included in which of the following in Constitution? Option A, Article 15 Clause 3. Option B, Article 15 Clause F. Option C, Article 45. Option D, all the above. Now, in the Constitution, the protection for children is included in 4 articles. That is, Article 15 Clause 3, which is, nothing in this article shall prevent state from making special provisions to women and children. So, Article 15 Clause 3 is the right answer. Now, next is Article 39 Clause F. It is, children are given opportunities and facilities to develop in a healthy manner and in conditions of freedom and dignity. And even Article 39 Clause 6, E also is included in this. That is, to ensure that health and strength of workers, men and women, and the tender age of children are not abused. So even option B is right. And now Article 45 deals with protection of children against exploitation, and Article 45 deals with free and compulsory education for children, and Article 47 deals with state should raise the level of nutrition and standard of living. So all the articles which deal with this juvenile justice children is Article 15 Clause 3, Article 39 Clause E, Article 39 Clause F, Article 45 and Article 49. So these 3 are included in this juvenile justice. So option D, all the above, is the right answer. Third question, Juvenile Justice Act is not applicable in option A, Jammu and Kashmir, option B, Tamil Nadu, option C, Puducherry, option D, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So it is not applicable in Jammu and Kashmir, and rest of the country has this Juvenile Justice Act. 34th question, what does abandoned child means as per Juvenile Justice Act 2015? First statement is, abandoned child means a child asserted by his biological and adoptive parents. Statement number 2, it means a child who has been declared as abandoned by committee after due inquiry. Option A, 1. Which of the following statements are correct? Option A, 1, option B, 2, option C, 1 and 2, and option D, none. So the correct answer for this is both the statements are correct and option C is the right answer. Fifth question, Integrated Child Protection Scheme is launched under which ministry? Option A, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Option B, Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Option C, Ministry of Child Welfare. Option D, Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions. So the correct answer for this question is option A, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Now coming to 6th question, which ministry implements Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan? Now this Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan is also called Drug Free Campaign. So option A, Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Option B, Ministry of Social Empowerment. Option C, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Option D, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The correct answer for this is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 7th question, who recommended the Panchayat Raj system to implement in India? Option A, Punchi Commission. Option B, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Option C, Singhvi Commission. Option D, none. So here option A is Punchi Commission. What does Punchi Commission recommend? It recommend regarding the center recommended regarding center and state relationships. So option A is the wrong answer. And coming to Balwant Rai Mehta committee, it recommended the Panchayat Raj system. Yes, option B is the right answer. Now let us see Singhvi commission recommended the revitalization of Panchayat Raj system for democracy and development. So the correct answer for this is option B. He asked who recommended Panchayat Raj system. So Balwant Rai Mehta committee. If he asks a question who recommended for revitalization of public Panchayat Raj system, then the answer will be option C. So now for this question the option is B. Balwant Rai Mehta committee recommended Panchayat Raj system. Option 8th question, which of the scheme is for rehabilitation of persons engaged in the act of begging? Option A, Smile scheme. Option B, PM Kisan scheme. Option C, KCC scheme. Option D, Swamitva scheme. So here Smile scheme means support for marginalized individuals for livelihood. That is Smile scheme. And option B is PM Kisan scheme. PM Kisan scheme deals with income support for 6,000 per annum to farmers. Option C is Kisan Credit Card Scheme. It provides credit card facilities for the farmers. Option D, Swamitva scheme. Swamitva full form is survey of villages and mapping with improvised technology in village areas. So it is regarded to mapping in rural areas. So now the question is, which scheme is involved in rehabilitation of persons engaged in the act of begging? It is the Smile scheme. The full form of Smile is support for marginalized individuals for livelihood. So option A is the correct answer. Now ninth question is, which of the following schemes are not related to farmers? Option A, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana. Option B, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Option C, National Agriculture Market. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. All those are related to farmers. Now 10th question is, Global Hunger Index report is calculated on the basis of option A, undernourishment. Option B, child wasting. Option C, child stunting. And option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above are taken for calculation of Global Hunger Index. And the India's rank in 2021 Global Hunger Index is 101 out of 116 countries. So that's all for today. Thank you.